Hey guys, today let's ditch the mirror magic and talk real talk. 4 signs you're way more attractive than you think. Sign 1, the compliment magnet. Do random folks compliment your smile, your laugh, or your you glow from within vibe? That's not just a coincidence, it's your inner awesome radiating outward. Sign 2, the conversation catalyst. People just gravitate? Conversations flow like honey? You're creating a magnetic energy that draws people in, making them feel comfortable and seen. Sign 3, the double take effect. Ever catch someone checking you out, then nervously looking away? That's not just awkwardness, it's your supercharged allure sparking a second glance. Sign 4, you own your shine. Confidence is the ultimate accessory. You rock your quirks, embrace your flaws, and radiate self-love like confetti. That's the most attractive thing of all. So remember, you're not just attractive, you're a walking supernova. Embrace your inner rock star and watch the world light up around you. Write in comments, what's your favorite sign of being super attractive? And thank you very much for subscribe and like on this video.